friends, today we will learn about cuboid and its area. Here I have cuboid. Cuboid is a solid having three dimensions: length, breadth and height. Okay, it has 6 faces and all these faces are rectangular. See, this is the face. To opposite this brown face we have here another brown face, and these two faces are rectangular and they are congruent. Similarly, here I have this face, green face, and opposite to this face another green face, and these two faces are also congruent and they are also rectangular. Then this is our fifth face, white face. This face is congruent to this face, okay, and they are also rectangular. I'm just going to flatten this cuboid. In order to find the area, what I did here, I have marked their dimensions: length, breadth, and marked here region 1. As this region is congruent to this region, I have again marked here region 1. So these are congruent faces, so they have equal areas. So first we will find the area of this face and multiply it with 2. Similarly, we will find the area of one green face and multiply the area with 2 in order to get the area of these two faces. And lastly, we will find the area of that white face and multiply it with 2 in order to get the area of these two faces. Let us start. Okay, here what we have to do, we have to find the area of region 1 plus area of region 2, that is white region, area of region 2 multiplied by 2, then 2 multiplied by area of region 3, this green region. So let us find this region, brown region, 2 multiplied by length multiplied by breadth, 2 times, next this one, 2 times breadth multiplied by height, then plus 2 times height multiplied by length, green stick, height multiplied by length. Now it's 2LB, 2BH, 2HL. I am just going to take 2 outside as it is common. Length breadth plus breadth height plus height length. Okay. Square unit. Square units. We should write the area in square units. Now when we are talking about lateral surface area of a cuboid, so we do not consider the area of base and top in the lateral surface area. तो हम यहाँ पे जो है base और top का area consider नहीं करते. We use this area to find the area of 4 walls. See, this brown face is base and this brown face is top. So I am just going to leave the area of these two faces. I'm just going to write the area of region 2 and area of region 3. That will be the lateral surface area. Now area of region 2 plus 2 times area of region 1. This is 2 multiplied by breadth multiplied by height plus 2 multiplied by length multiplied by height. This is 2 multiplied by, I'm just going to take 2 outside, 2 multiplied by BH plus LH, or you can write it as 2B plus L, as H is common here, to take it outside, multiplied by H. Write here square units, as area should always be mentioned in square units. This is the lateral surface area of a cuboid. Thank you.